Are you ready for this exciting theory driving test? Hey there, fellow drivers. I'm Miss Stacey, and I'm here to help you navigate the ins and outs of the rules of the road. In this series of videos, we're going to cover everything you need to know to safely navigate a traffic situation like the one you can see on the screen right now, from traffic signs and road rules to safe driving practices. By the time we're done, you'll be a safely and more knowledgeable driver, ready to hit the road with confidence. So buckle up, get your pencils ready, and let's dive into the world of driving together. Let's do this. The question of the day states, which car will be the last to go at such an intersection? But before we get deeper into it, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and share the video with your friends and family. So going back to the question at hand, which car will be the last to proceed at this uncontrolled intersection? Well, I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to really think this through and come up with your own correct answer. Then after that, I will reveal the final answer to you. Also, do write down your answer in the comment section. So let's go. Your time starts now. I will be back with you in a bit. Hi, I surely hope you got the answer correct. So let's carefully look at this diagram. You can clearly see that car C has a directional arrow that's facing away from the intersection. What that will tell you is that car C has already crossed that intersection, so we are no longer considering it as part of that intersection, because it's already on its way away from the intersection. Basically, what I'm simply saying is that when you see a car like that, that is not your answer. So car C is not our answer, guys. Now we are left with only these two cars to look at, which is car A and car B. Let's take a closer look at these two cars' intended movements and directions. So we can clearly see that car A is approaching from the right of car B. And getting back to our main road rule, governing these uncontrolled intersection, which states that a vehicle should always yield right of way to traffic that approaching from its right at an uncontrolled intersection. Now, with that in mind, we can clearly appreciate that car B will yield right of way to car A. So in simpler terms, car A will be the first car to proceed from that intersection, followed by car B. So car B will be our last car to go, and hence car B is my final answer. So there you have it, guys. And that's a wrap on this video. Remember, keep reviewing the topics we covered so far, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit on that notification icon for more. See you in our next video. Goodbye.